Hi guys, here we are at Rossington level crossing in South Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. I don't know what's loudest. Right, the time is 15:38 on Saturday 23rd of April 2016. This is for your 1540, 1 Alpha 37 Virgin train service from Leeds to King's Cross, and a 1543, 1 Delta 17 Virgin train service from King's Cross to Leeds. I can still see that freight train. Should have long gone by now. Hey? Watch box. Oh yeah. Why are you getting the cable thing out? Nice thing you cut these barriers as well, isn't it?
What?
It's good that you cut these barriers too, isn't it? Because we came in when it was NRS still.
Yeah.
But it was LED, unfortunately. I really wish I cut every crossing halogen, then come back and it was all LED then. Good thing I caught Perton LED.
You mean halogen?
Yeah, and LED.
Well, you could have caught an LED at any time of the day.
And Wadborough, and Dunhampstead. It's pity I didn't catch Treddington halogen.
Well, that got upgraded a few months.
No. It's just so easy when you're waiting just to pick the red strips.
What? You mean it's easy to peel off?
It's not easy, but it's as tempting. I don't do it, but other people do. I can see why it's gone. No wonder Lincoln Central's barrier was like that. Here she comes. We've got 43,296. That was at Lincoln this morning. 43,296 to 43,319 to Lucas Cross, and
Very likely to stay out, Joe. The next train's in 2 minutes.
staying.
What was going for, Joe? 14:40.
We're staying for our 1443, 1 Delta 17 Virgin train service from Lucas Cross to Leeds.
Joe, have you noticed how bent the sign is?
No, it's just dropped. It's not bent.
Yeah, dropped, whatever.
I wonder if they fitted them on a new post when they got
Oh
upgraded.
wow, Joe. That's loose.
Yeah.
Oh, Joe, it's only been put on by one bracket because
Yeah.
you're too lazy to put it. It's on by one bracket too. Ignore my crazy.
Crazy Richardson. Good, we can still see that train. It's not disappeared out yet.
Nice noise there.
Crazy Richardson.
Oh, the fire.
Here she is.
6.5, 6.25 lights on here.
No, it's just like the other train going. What was that at? Oh, that was at that crossing on the West Somerset Railway.
Yeah. When's the next train?
Here it is.
When's the next train after this, Joe?
59.
No, we're not doing
No.
this now. That's 20 minutes. Look at we've got these classes, Joe.
Yes. We've got Hoot, if you can. 91 132! 91 132 to 82 203 to Leeds!
What was that, 82 to 13?
No, 82 203! Up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.